Morning. So today, first day my knee's been alright. We'll see what we can do. What we're going to do, we're going to get this front off. Now I was going to get a spot weld and take out some of these because this needs to come off because we've got to get this on there. Fair. Once this comes off, I'm just going to cut it down the middle, just see what I can do, get the plaque off, and then look at how much is needed to take the engine out. Let's do it. So as you can tell, it's not that easy to get the front off. I'm taking it off in sections just to be safe I don't cut through something I shouldn't do. Well, that's it. Made a bit of a mess around here. Just have a bit of a clean up and then we'll see what it looks like. Right, so this is the car that keeps giving. So the front is now off, save for a few bits at the corner. That's had a ding in it, so that's going to have to be straightened out. I do have a wing to replace that, but then you look at this. This is the inner wing. There's a bit there. I reckon we can get that bit fabricated, and I can get this welded on. Obviously, that's pushed in because of the ding. We'll get all this cleaned up, see what we can salvage. Obviously along the front, this bit is quite good, just needs a bit of a clean up, might need a bit of a patch up, but I think that's pretty good. And the same up there, but that wing's gone at the bottom. See what the rest of the wing's like, see what the arches are like, see what we can do with that. So there we have it, that's the front. So the front's off. I'm going to start on this side because that panel's not going to go on for quite some time because we're going to get the engine out. Yeah, I think it's been a productive day. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next week.